This painting is called Scanning Punctuations, and we're considering it one of Nina's transitional works. The mark making is very different than you'll see from her dilated grain readings. She doesn't create a painted backdrop. She's making her marks directly onto the canvas. She likens this work in particular to having the rhythm of a typewriter, which I think you can kind of get this sense of as you see these quick jab-like marks. She thinks of the white as almost a whiteout. There's this sense of both layering but also erasure that you can see throughout this painting. The mark making is really unique here, and this is really one of the reasons we made this one of the highlights of the exhibition in terms of using this as the catalog cover and also on our banner on the south side of the museum. It's a fascinating work and one that we found rolled up in Nina's studio, and it's really an honor to be able to present this to the public.